Hi kids, how are you doing today? Well, today we have a nice topic which is about long A sound words. How can we make this sound which is A? A. Let's take some examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Plane. 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 Start with the sound p. Play. A. So I need the vowel A. Plane. N. Is it a plane? No. This is a plan. Plan. How can I make the short A sound a long A sound? How? From A to A. How? I need the silent E. I need the silent E. Plane. Plane. Okay? Let's have more examples. Like make. May. A. So I need the vowel A, right? Make. I need the sound k. Is it make? No, I need another vowel which is silent, the silent E. Vowel, consonant, vowel. The first vowel says its name. Hi, what's your name? My name is A. My name is A. And the second vowel says nothing, which is silent. Make. Make. Let's have more examples. Take. 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 Tay. A. I need the vowel A. Take. Is it take? No, I need another vowel which is the silent E. Take. What about fake? Fake. This is my fake profile. These are fake nails. Fake, make, take, bake, right? Hate. Hate. I don't like animals. I hate them. Hate or I dislike them. Hey. Eight. Where's the T? Here we are. Okay. Hate. Is it hate? No, this is hat. This is hat. How can I make the long A sound? By adding the silent E, right? Hates. Hate. Vowel, consonant, vowel. The first one says its name. Hi, what's your name? My name is A. And the second vowel says nothing, which is silent. About the word snake. Snake. A. What do I need now? I need the vowel A. Snake. Is it a snake? No, I need the silent E to make a long A sound. Snake. 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 Let's take another example like race. Race. Ray. A. A. What do I need now? The vowel A. Race. Race. Is it race? No, I need the silent E to make the long A sound. Race. Race. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Vowel, consonant, vowel. The first vowel says its name. The second vowel says nothing. Hi, what's your name? Well, my name is Ace. So, ace, race. Okay, this is the rule. Well, there are many exceptions, but this is the rule in general. Let me show you one of these exceptions. Like the word have. Have. I have 2 blue eyes. I have a nice car. I have a nice family, right? Have. The right spelling of this word, H-A-V-E. This is a sight word. This is a sight word. When you see it, you realize it. You don't need to spell it or to take too much time to read it. It's have. It's simply have. Have. You cannot apply the rule. It's not he. No. This is a sight word. Have. Thanks for watching. I hope you got the idea and got the rule. Well, if you want to give me more examples, you can write your examples in a comment. Again, thanks for watching.